All right, we got a problem on our hands here. Got a Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 wide body number 3. It looks incredible. This is in white. The other ones were black and Tempest gray. So this looks really nice with the white and the orange. As you can see, beautiful color combination, mandarin orange and white. But this thing is gnarly because it has, in white, the wide body kit always looks more beefier, looks incredible. And then obviously the wheels. The wheels are super important. And this customer picked, I believe, the right wheels. They are 26 inch, so they are pretty big. But I mean, to get the craziest look, if you sacrifice a little bit of ride quality, the 26s look insane. We did a lot to get this fitment. What you see right now is in literally the lowest mode possible.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
It's too low, so we found the bottom limit. We can't even fit this card through the back because it is touching the body right now. But I mean, look how insane that looks. It's crazy. I wish you could drive like that, but sadly we can't. We're gonna reset the system now, put it back to its normal but lowered stance where it looks good and it drives with no errors. But yeah, right now it's jammed, so we wanted to show you guys how crazy it looks. This one is full forged carbon fiber. The other two are black batch carbon. So as you can see, forged carbon down there, forged carbon on this trim right here. You got forged carbon on the side skirts and the forged carbon on the trunk wing and in the diffuser. The rest of it was obviously paint matched body color. Looks amazing, obviously. We have an option for these cars with lights in the front, like the Tempest gray one, and fender trims, which this one doesn't. I think it looks super clean like this. I mean, when I look at this big white, beefy Rolls-Royce with these 26-inch crazy RDB wheels, this is it right here. This is as good as it gets. But hope you guys like it. We'll show you guys some more.
I'm gonna explode.
I didn't even eat my food.
I'm gonna explode. I don't feel good.
I didn't eat my food. I don't feel good today.
You can't fucking eat 3 Big Macs and fries and say you feel good. Let's have an update with Javier. Make it to break his Salazar. Javier has glasses on. He thinks they're prescription glasses. They're not. He just found them on the street and just randomly wearing them.
Is that true, Javi?
Yeah. They're not prescription glasses.
Can you even see? What do you think? Can you see with your glasses?
Is it better or not? I tried those once and it's really bad. Shit. Javier's performance levels have been very good lately. He's been going good. Javier does a little bit of everything. He does a little bit of everything. This one I can't say anything because
I put every single bolt.
Yeah.
He
puts every single bolt but forgets all the washers.
Yeah.
So it's very normal.
That's useless then.
Customer had a lot of add-ons that he wanted to do, which we're doing. You guys can see the lights are done. These lights are pretty cool. There's like 3 different. Sorry, I don't feel good. There's 3 different functions. They're pretty bright. Oh shit!
Oh my! Turn it off.
That's a nice one. That's nice. Even during the daytime, it lights up the whole shop, so which is pretty cool. That's basically it. So we're finishing up. Again, we have some paint work to do on this thing, and we're gonna wrap it up.
Yeah, this is gonna get the wide body too, though. We gotta take it out.
Huh?
No,
What?
we need to use a very sharp thing and cut it, bro. It's not double tape, it's glue.
I know it's glue. Somebody used it.
Yeah, some glue. Too much glue.
Some idiots?
Yeah.
You call me idiots?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Sorry about the mess at the shop because we have a ton of cars everywhere. We have a URUS Mansory we're starting on. That's gonna be a crazy build. Behind me is something very special. There's only 460 of these made. It is called the stronger than 1980s G Wagon. It's basically based off of a G550, I believe, and only 460. So limited edition. It has the retro style look, as you can see, the front end, and then we have that really beautiful beige color throughout. It's got the newer grills, not like the 63, kind of like an older school style. You got the flares that are matte black. It's just making it look kind of like a retro G-Wagon, meanwhile retaining all the newer luxury items. So it's pretty cool. They're all manufacturer editions. They're very special, like I said. And we have the honor of painting the wheels. This customer wanted color matched wheels, so they wanted this beige color matched, which is a very special color, and obviously at RDB we specialize in special colors, as you guys saw the Carrera GT. But we're gonna be painting it. This customer gives us one-day jobs all the time. He brings it to us in the morning and says, I need it done same day. So to do that, we have to paint them, not powder coat them, and we can't take the tire off, so you're gonna see that the tire is a little dismounted. But in order to finish the same day, we cannot paint the wheel and then mount the tire on there. It's not gonna work. So all four body techs are on those wheels right now just to get it done. We have still Mansory parts in the booth that we gotta take out, but we're gonna get it done, and hopefully we're able to show you guys the results and it's not too late.
Ya le puse la luz. ¿Cómo quedó la luz?
Perra, güey. Perra, güey. Una bad. Can be worse.
It could be worse.
Yeah, yes, hey. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. I love the tires.
Off-road? You like off-road?
Yes, I love off-road. Take it to Salvador. Or take it to Mexico, Tijuana. Nada, we have nice places for it.
This?
Yeah.
Why don't you buy one?
Huh?
Why don't you buy one?
Right now, we cannot go to Tijuana. Yeah. It's too cold right now.
One day.
Yeah. Where's the key?
Why are you breaking in?
So we have a Mercedes here, and our videographer decided to break into the car for some reason. But what's really cool, we didn't know this, is that the interior ambient lights are flashing red and blue. So that's kind of like a police siren to stereo. All it's missing is, you know, the police siren. It'll be really cool. But the lights, blue and red, it's kind of cool. I didn't know that, but don't steal any G Wagons.